So we ran through the cashback credit cards for you guys again because we know everyone's spending a lot at the moment. Every bit of extra cashback helps. Today, we'll be reviewing Citibank's Custom Cash Card, a new automatic 5% cashback credit card, which when used properly is one of the best deals out on the market right now. There are some caveats though, so watch on. By the end of this video, you'll see how this card works, some of its advantages and disadvantages, and how to make this card work best for you. For our loyal subscribers and viewers, welcome back. We love you guys. And for those of you new to Diamond NestEgg, welcome to the #1 place to learn about money, insurance, and retirement. I'm Jennifer, first-generation American, and I've spent most of my life in finance. Started working at banks like JP Morgan and Goldman Sachs at the age of 17 and graduated top of my class from NYU and Harvard Business School on scholarship. And now I work with companies like Bloomberg, WeWork, and Walker Edison, teaching their employees all about money. So, the new CITI Custom Cash Card. It's pretty competitive in the credit card space with its automatic 5% back offer. Why? Advantage 1. You earn 5% cash back automatically in your highest eligible spend category each billing cycle, meaning each month, capped at $500 of spend in that highest eligible spend category. On all your other spend, you get 1% back. For example, if you earn 5% back for grocery spending in one billing cycle in 1 month, but begin to spend more heavily next month on restaurants, your bonus category will automatically adjust. In the next month, you then earn 5% per dollar spent on restaurants until you hit the $500 spending cap and 1% per dollar on everything else. Unlike other similar 5% back credit cards, the CITI Custom Cash Card will just calculate your highest eligible spend category each month for you and adjust your rewards automatically. No fuss, no extra effort at all. No need to remember to activate or choose bonus categories every quarter. Advantage 2 of the CITI Custom Cash Card. There is no annual fee. Advantage 3, you get $200 in cash back after you spend $750 on purchases in the first 3 months of account opening. As of this taping, this is one of the most attractive sign-on bonuses out there right now for a no annual fee credit card. If you're considering applying, definitely check to see if this offer is still valid when you apply. Also, keep in mind that the sign-on bonus is only available if you didn't receive a bonus from opening a new CITI Custom Cash Card account in the past 48 months. Advantage 4, the 10 eligible categories that you can earn this 5% cash back from are pretty extensive. They include grocery stores, restaurants, gas stations, streaming services, drugstores, home improvement stores, fitness clubs, select travel, select transit, and live entertainment. Compare this to credit cards like the Discover It Cashback or Chase Freedom Flex, which are much less flexible because the credit card company chooses the categories for you each quarter. There may be quarters when the chosen categories just don't make sense for you. The CITI Custom Cash Card, though, gives you cash back that's matched up with your spending. And did I mention? The card's just cheap and easy, both of which we love when it comes to money. No annual fee, and CITI automatically calculates your highest spend category and your cashback rewards for you. Here's how your monthly cashback rewards and sign-on bonus work. Remember, the sign-on bonus that's running at the time of this taping is $200 cashback after you spend $750 on purchases in the first 3 months of account opening. You get this $200 cash back as 20,000 thank you points, which can then be redeemed for $200 cash back as a direct deposit, check, or statement credit at a value of 1 cent per point. Other redemption options include gift cards, travel, or purchases made on Amazon.com. You should know that the redemption values might be different depending on what you choose to redeem them for. So for example, 1 point might equal to 1 cent when you redeem for gift cards or with some of Citi's travel partners. But it might only equal 0.8 cents if you're using it to shop on Amazon. Your monthly cashback rewards work the same way. So say that you spend the $500 on your highest eligible spend category, you would then get 2,500 thank you points, which you could then redeem for $25 cash back in the same way as a sign-on bonus, as a direct deposit, check, or statement credit at a value of 1 cent per point. Or you could use it for gift cards, travel, etc. Advantage 5 of the CITI Custom Cash Card. There's a 15-month 0% introductory APR offer. You pay 0% APR on purchases and balance transfers for 15 months. After that, it goes up to between 13.99% to 23.99% variable APR. But 15 months is a good amount of time for those of you looking to pay down a large purchase or debts transferred over from other cards. Keep in mind that there is a balance transfer fee of $5 or 5% of the amount of each transfer, whichever is greater, as is the norm with most of these offers. So what are the disadvantages of the CITI Custom Cash Card? Disadvantage 1, the spending cap is low. The 5% cash back each month is only on the first $500 spent in your highest spend category for that billing cycle, for that month. And then you only get 1% back on the rest. Even if you were to max out the 5% bonus category by spending $500 every billing cycle every month, that's just $25 cash back, excluding the other 1% cash back on everything else. There are some cards out there with a higher spending cap, but you need to choose the bonus categories for each quarter in advance, which makes things a bit more complicated. I'm not a huge fan of complicated when it comes to credit cards. Disadvantage 2 of the CITI Custom Cash Card. The reward rate in non-bonus categories is low. Even though you earn 5% on one bonus category each billing cycle, the rewards you'll get on any other spending you do on the card, 1%, leaves much to be desired. Disadvantage 3. You need a good to excellent credit score, ideally above a 700. If you don't know what your credit score is, you can check for free on Credit Karma and even download the app so that you always have it at your fingertips. I've included the link below this video. And if your credit is not quite where you want it to be, take a look at our videos here for the top 5 ways to boost your credit score and the target credit score you should be aiming for. So, might this card be for you, and how do you maximize the 5% cash back on this card? To make the most of the 5% cash back on the CITI Custom Cash Card, choose an eligible category that you know you'll spend between $400-ish and $800-ish on per month. Say groceries, restaurants, drugstores, and just use this card for that category. As you can see here, if you spend up to the $500 spending cap in your highest eligible category, that's 5% cash back. At $600, the cash back goes down to 4.33%, and at $800, it goes down to 3.5%. Even at a $1,000 spend, the 3% cash back is not a bad deal. For all other credit card spending, go with one of the other cashback credit cards out there, like the CITI Double Cash Card, which gives you a flat 2% back on everything. It's another favorite of ours because, again, no fuss, simple and easy. Guys, we hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. If you did, please don't forget to give that thumbs up and the subscribe button a gentle tap. We'll be back next week with another money-saving, wealth-building video just for you.